Welcome to Freebird Meditations, and welcome to this meditation focused on transformation and renewal, drawing inspiration from the graceful journey of the butterfly. As you embark on this meditation, see if you can allow the symbol of the butterfly to guide you through your own metamorphosis, shedding the confines of the past to reveal your true, radiant self. Settling into a comfortable position that best supports your body, closing your eyes if that feels right for you, and see if you can allow this process to guide you into a deeper understanding of your own capacity for change, from a place of compassion, curiosity, and non-judgment. Taking a few deep cleansing breaths, fill your lungs slowly and then release the breath, letting go of any immediate worries or tension. As you continue to breathe deeply and evenly, visualize yourself surrounded by a protective, nurturing, glistening cocoon. This cocoon might represent your current challenges or limitations, but also your potential for change. As you sit within your safe cocoon, imagine the essence of the butterfly. Delicate, yet daring, ready for transformation. Think of how the butterfly must feel the impulse to change, the courage it musters to redefine its existence. Being curious about this, see if you can let this thought inspire you to embrace the necessary changes in your own life, to grow beyond your perceived limits. Now, as you breathe in serenity and breathe out restlessness, reflect on the patience required through the butterfly's transformation. It does not rush its metamorphosis, nor does it resist the pace of nature. Emulate this patience. Understand that personal transformation also takes time, and that it's perfectly fine to progress through your own changes at your own natural rhythm. With each inhale, draw the lightness of being that the butterfly embodies. Imagine each breath lightening your spirit, lifting burdens from your shoulders. With each exhale, see if you can release any heaviness or sorrow. Butterflies teach us the joy found in lightness, the ease of fluttering above the earth and the flowers unburdened. See if you can connect to this lightness, letting this feeling of ease permeate your being. visualizing now the stages of the butterfly's life, from a vulnerable caterpillar to a resilient creature in a cocoon, and finally to a free, beautiful butterfly. Each stage comes with challenges, yet the butterfly emerges stronger and more splendid. See if you can draw strength from your own resilience. Acknowledge the hardships you've faced and recognize the strength you've gained in overcoming them. As our meditation draws closer to a close, envision yourself emerging from your cocoon as a butterfly. Feel the new wings of potential at your back, ready to explore the world from this fresh perspective. Remembering that each day is a chance to begin anew, to fly on the currents of life with renewed purpose and joy. And taking another deep, full breath. And gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel the chair or floor beneath you. Hear the sounds around you. And slowly open your eyes when you're ready. In what ways can you carry the lessons of the butterfly with you now? Embracing change, nurturing patience, enjoying lightness, drawing strength from challenges, and renewing yourself with each new day. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May the spirit of the butterfly inspire you as you continue forward in your journey of transformation. May we all be well. May we all be happy. And may we all be free.